Good morning. I hope you slept well. Could I read you something I wrote real quick this morning? Could I read you something I wrote? Okay, I'll be really quick. If you don't want to eat, don't smell what's on the plate. If you don't want to enter hell, don't go near the gate. Stay far away from sin. Don't even take the chance. Don't go to the party if you don't want to dance. I know you're strong. I know you're tall. But if temptation rings, don't pick up the call. Temptation may say, I want to tell you something. I'll be really quick. If you answer that call, if you press that button, you've fallen for the trick. Quick and short, then it keeps you there for long. You start getting weaker, then the grip of sin gets stronger and strong. I know you say you're strong, but big things start small. Big sins start small. Pride leads to a fall. No one is exempted from temptation. It will come for us all. If you don't want to eat it all, don't even take a bite. Don't enter the ring if you don't want to fight. If you don't want to drink it all, don't even take a sip. If you don't want to swim in the pool of sin, don't put your foot in, not even the tip. Sin makes you think you're in control at the start, so you keep doing it. Sin encourages you to keep going. You're doing well. You can manage it until it gets hold of your heart. Now it starts controlling you. Like a slave on a chain, you do what it tells you to do. If temptation is a seed, sin is the fruit. If that tree has started growing in your life, please cut the root. If you don't want to play, don't sit at the table. If you don't want to travel, don't go to the train station. If the destination is sin and death, that train line is called temptation. Don't walk the edge if you don't want to fall in. Don't smell it if you don't want to eat. You say you will go to the party, but you won't dance. But what if the DJ plays your favorite beat? The bottom line of my message today is don't take chances with sin. We are not wise enough. We are not strong enough. If we walk near the edge, one day we're going to fall in. God bless you. Have a great day. Bye.